Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. Today we got a quick video on the new diagnostic tool that I've been using. So this is the MUCAR. This is a CDE900 Pro model. So pretty decent actually diagnostic tool. There's a little catch to it that I'll explain in a second. So you currently can get it for £149 on Amazon, and then you got 40% voucher on the link that you can find in the description below. So basically 110 quid, but when you buy it as the model without the upgrades, it only does basic diagnosis and code erasure basically. So that's pretty much it. So you can scan the car quickly and clear the codes, and there's only a few models on there at the moment. So the catch with this tool is it's basically ready for the upgrade, which is once you obviously register the tool, and you got 4 options to upgrade. There's different prices on them, they're in dollars actually, but the best upgrade is $99, which is about 80 quid. That will include lots of service reset functions. It will include every single vehicle. All the functions will be unlocked. It'll update it. Obviously you need the Wi-Fi or data for that. So once you updated the tool, you have all the resets that you can get. So you can get all the different resets, like the obviously air fuel for the throttle body, DPFs, battery replacements, airbags, coolant pumps, EGRs, immobilizers, oil service reset as well, tire pressures. There's lots of different resets for every single vehicle. So like I said, the best option probably is to go for the £80 one or $99 one, and then in that case you unlock the full potential of the tool. So the tool is really easy to use. I'm going to show you today. We got the VW Scirocco here, 2-litre TDI, and I'm just going to plug into it and show you how to scan for the codes, how quick it is, and obviously the other helpful info that you can get on it, live data and etc., and the resets, how they work as well, a few of them. And then obviously if you want any more of my videos more on this tool, if you're interested in buying it, I'm happy to get some comments below, requests, and I'll do something specific for you on obviously on the cars they're going to have available at the time, and hopefully they'll answer your questions. And if you got any more, like I said, I'm always here, so I'm happy to answer them. So let's plug it in and let's get started. Right, so what you get when you order the tool is obviously the box here with the instruction and everything else. The tool will be in there with the cable. Then you got the USB-C charging for the tool. You got the manual that I definitely recommend going through to set it up correctly. And then obviously you got the tool. You got the power button at the top. You got a touch screen, which is really handy. The buttons there in case you don't want to use the touch screen. Okay, back, and the controls. On the side, you got the port for micro SD card there, and obviously for the charger. The quality seems very good actually. You got the rubber plastic protectors on the side, so in case you drop it or etc, it should protect it. Obviously plug it in, screw them in so it's connected to it, and then obviously you got the OBD plug there to connect to the car, which is what we're going to do now. And like I said, I've already expanded, so I bought the extra optional there. So now the tool is completely unlocked. You got the settings there where you can set up your profile and etc, go through the languages, times and etc, because you can get reports, you can get all the updates, system upgrades as well, and what it fixes bugs as well if there's any bugs on it as well. So that's fine. But yeah, we're going to plug into the car now and go through a few things that you can do with it. So with the ignition on, once you plugged into the car, the screen should come on straight away, and just press start and it's going to start connecting to the car. So you'll see the voltage at the top there, and it's already charging the tool, showing the voltage of the vehicle, and it started to search automatically for the details of the vehicle. So we just wait for it to connect. It already connected to the car. So if you go to auto search, you already got the VIN number on there, so it's just loading it up. I do recommend having the Wi-Fi connected because it does give extra functions to the tool as well. So as you can see, it's already connecting to the car. Just going to establish communication with the car. So you can go to the health report, which does the full diagnostic, or you can go to system scan, and you can go to CAN gateway scanning, and that will be really quick because obviously on the more modern cars you got very quick connections. So this should scan the whole car. As you can see, 100% already. Shows you all the systems that is scanned, which is pretty good. And it shows you which one's got no fault and the ones that actually has got fault code. So obviously find fault code in engine electronics. I'm pretty sure it's going to be my glow plugs. So let's have a look. It's connecting, give me all the information on the ECU. And if we go into read DTCs, there you go. So we have got cylinder 2 and cylinder 4 glow plugs fault codes, so we can look them up. When the network is connected, it will take you to Google and it will show you the common fixes and the common issues with that fault code. It will show you explanation of the fault code as well. So if you go back, you can clear the fault code there. You can get live data of the engine. So there's plenty of stuff you can select from there. The throttle position, accelerator pedal, activation of electrics components, AC, MRs, everything. There's lots of settings they can go into and get the live data. So I usually like to check the glow plugs or etc. Or you can check the DPF status of regeneration, if it's blocked up or not, EGR and etc. So let's just, for this example, I'm going to select the injectors. Let me just find them because there's lots of stuff coming up here. There's a few. There you go. So injector 1, injector 2, injector 3, injector 4. So if you put OK, that should bring the data there. So obviously at the moment it's 0, so I'm going to start the vehicle up. And now we should get the live data. Yeah, as you can see, we're already getting the live data of each injector. So this is showing me how bad the injector will be. So 0.25 is not too bad. 0.14, 0.34, 0.45. So that's not bad at all. So you can save the live data on this tool as well if you want to. You can compare it with something else. So you can record it as well for how many seconds you want to. As you can see, start recording. You got 3, 4, 5 seconds. So this is for when you're driving and you obviously can't look at the tool. You just want to record it and look at it afterwards. If you got a specific fault that's occurring when you're driving at a certain RPM, you can save all the data and see what actually happens. So stop recording and that will go into your library. You can change the name if you want to. Just put OK and that's saved it now. So obviously you got the report, which is the PDF file that you can email or transfer via Bluetooth. So as you can see, the live data is there. So like I say, you can do it PDF and share it via email. So just connect it to Wi-Fi for that. So like I say, if you want, you can clear the fault code. Obviously in my case it's pointless because the fault will just come back again, but I'll just erase it so you can see. Yeah, so it's cleared the fault code. So back to my menu, if you go to reports, you can find the diagnostic data that you had, the fault code report that you can, like I said, email it or export it via Bluetooth. So there's the faults. The live data is also here that we done, the data stream, and that obviously video that we've created as well. So there's the values. And now the other obviously important thing they got on the tool once you upgrade it is the resets. So if you want to do oil resets, EGR reset, DPFs, etc. Oil is quite easy. I do recommend having the internet on, the Wi-Fi on, or the data on for these things, because in some cars it does help because some of them are obviously connected to the internet, to the reset. But on the VW it should be fine. So you're just going to connect to it and you get the option obviously for the short-term and long life as well resets. You got automatic search on it. So once it connects to it, it should show you those settings. You find the VW on there. For every car it's going to be different. So you got all the, because it's unlocked obviously because I paid for it, you got all the cars on there. So ignition is on. Let's just connect it and it should show us the settings for the resets. So nice and easy, you got auto reset, so it automatically finds what model it is, and there you go, you got the minor maintenance and major maintenance. So depending on what service you've done, obviously you got the settings there. You also can go and customize your own one if you want to put the like kilometers or miles that you want to be on it, put it back to where it was, or if you change the oil and it's different oil and it lasts longer. So you can put, instead of, I don't know, 10,000 miles, you can put up to 15,000 miles. Or if you want to do reminder in 5,000 miles, you can change it here as well. So it's nice and easy. Like I said, every car is going to be different. So now if we go back, and the other thing you can do, that's very common I suppose, is DPF regen, and the setting is here as well. or if you, I don't know, replace your throttle body or you're coding the injectors, that's there as well, so you're going to connect to it. But yeah, if you do, for instance, DPF, if you want to do a regen on it, you can select the setting on here, and then obviously you have to start the car up, warm it up to temperature, and every car is different, but you can get obviously the information on that on the internet anyway. But these guides you through it as well. It won't let you start doing regen if the car is not up to standard anyway, but you need to make sure you haven't got any fault codes to do that. Obviously a lot of cars suffer with that issue with the diesel cars that do need DPF regen, and once it went past obviously the stage they can be regen automatically with the car, you do have to plug in diagnostic tool and do it manually, and hopefully you will be able to save yourself a lot of money by doing it manually. So obviously on here again you need to select VW, and you'll find it, and then obviously it'll take you through the settings. What you have to do, you're gonna have to start it up, like I said, run it up to temperature, and then obviously you'll do its thing. You're gonna start revving it up and etc., and hopefully it'll show you the settings, obviously how block it was and how much it cleared, so that'll be fine. So like I said, you just press start there and it takes you to the next screen. You have to start the car up and off it goes. But yeah guys, like I said, this was just a quick video to show you some of the stuff that you can do with this tool. And like I said, please make sure that you realize that buying the tool is not going to unlock everything. So the tool costs you £110 if you follow my link, but then you have to do the £80 upgrade to unlock all the cards. You can do individual ones, but like I said, I would personally recommend doing the £80, $99, and unlock everything on it, and then you are ready to go. So here we are guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll show you the simple stuff that you can do on it. If you want more in-depth video, please do comment below, or if you want any setting to show you how it works, and if it works, then yeah, I'm more than happy to do it for you. Obviously, like I said, this is on VW Scirocco 2012, but on every different, I had it on the Audi as well, it worked pretty well, but I haven't tried many different cars yet. But if I get opportunity, obviously will do, and then if you comment below, I'll answer if I tried one or if it works, etc. But yeah, the main thing is, don't forget, just buying the tool is not going to unlock everything, so you do need to consider that you're going to have to spend money to unlock it. And like I said, at the moment it's $99 and it's lifetime as well, so once you unlocked it, it's fine for all the cars and all the reset settings, etc. But please double check that before buying the tool. The link is in the description below to follow, and that's the tool that you can get £40 off on voucher, so do follow that up. And like I said, if you enjoyed the video, find it helpful, do comment below, like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Have a good day. Bye.